Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast in Yeeps. Preheat your Yeeps to medium, whisk 2 eggs with milk and a pinch of salt, soak thick slices briefly, and place gently on the nonstick surface. Flip after golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, then serve with syrup or fruit. Keep the heat steady and use a spatula to lift, ensuring even browning and a tender center. Warm and easy steps for prep will make your morning smoother. Start by measuring 2 eggs and half a cup of milk, add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a splash of vanilla, then whisk until blended. Dip each bread slice one side at a time so it soaks, but does not collapse, allowing the center to stay custardy while the outside crisps on the Yeeps surface. Here are friendly cooking tips to get consistent results every time. Maintain medium heat on your Yeeps so the exterior browns without drying the center, and preheat fully before adding slices. Flip gently when edges look set and the underside is golden, then cook the second side briefly. Avoid stacking slices while cooking and wipe excess batter from the griddle between batches for even cooking and minimal sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.